डाला है साला, परसों डाला और गिरा है। नहीं एवरेज करेगा मैं, ये 2-4 छोड़ देगा, 2-4 साल। 2-4 साल के लिए छोड़ देगा।
So this is a game between All-Star. The captain Ankit Singh is on the strike, along with Narendra Ochani, who is having a long way experience in this game. He is known for his commitment, dedication, and they really have a fighting spirit.
पाला मिळवा गोड नाही आवडत मला, गोड थोडी। त्याचं नाव काय? बॉलर जनक जनक।
So this is the final game. All viewers must be ready to cheer up. And the first ball, umpires in place. Ayub is the front umpire, and Janak will be bowling his first ball to Ankit. Placed, and a cool start with 1 run. 1 ball, 1 run. Narendra Ochani will be taking strike. Second ball of the first over. And he has played very well. Very good placement. Run per ball. Third ball of the first over. Very nicely, but it is a very good fielding. The boys are cheering up, and a good fielding by Tushar, captain of the team. Fourth ball, 3 runs on the board. It was a very good shot by Ankit Singh, but equally good fielding by Tushar. If he would have missed, was difficult. So the next ball, and he bowls very nicely. It's a very good fielding, but 1 run they will get. So 4 runs on the board. And very good placing. I'm sure the batting lineup, they very well know how to play the game. Cheeky runs they are taking, 1 run per ball. And trying to manage the show. So last ball of the first over, 6 runs on the board. Narendra Ochani facing. Janak is a good bowler, a young bowler. And it was a very good try. We must see what has happened. There was a possibility of run out, but then he made a very quick comeback. So umpire decision, he is not out. So 1 over, 6 runs. The second over is being given to Akshat, who is a very good all-rounder. And we'll see, he is a pace bowler from the Zenon end. He has been given the responsibility. So we must see how the game goes. Ankit Singh will face the first ball of Akshat. And a pace bowling, nicely played. It was a very close, but then he runs very fast. They are going at an average of 6. But they might definitely have some plan in mind. They are taking 1 run per ball, but they may have some plan. And second ball of the second over, Akshat to Naren. He missed the ball and he is out. It is very unfortunate. A very good batsman missed the ball. In the final, you cannot expect missing a ball. You have to lose your wicket. And Sarfaraz comes in the ground wearing his Puma. I hope it will give him good grip and he will take a lot of runs. A left-hand batsman. And the next ball, Akshat will be bowling to Sarfaraz. And he just placed and took 1 run. Running between the wickets is quite good. Good tuning between the 2 players. Ankit Singh, the captain of the team, taking responsibility of All-Star. Three balls to go. 8 runs on the board. So Akshat, his next ball to Ankit Singh. And beautiful. They are holding back, allowing 1 run to go. So 9 runs on the board. And he has played very well. He knows there is no fielder. So very easily he can take a run. 10 runs on the board. And last ball to go. This might be a low scoring game, it looks like, but let us see how it goes further. Last ball of the over. Akshat to Ankit. Nicely played, nicely tapped rather. It was a pace ball. There was no chance to have a pitch, so he just tapped it and over. So 11 runs on the board, 2 overs with the loss of 1 wicket. Narendra Ochane is gone. Ankit Singh and Sarfaraz in the crease. So the third over is given to Raj. He will be bowling from the Zenon end. Ankit Singh will be facing. Some chit-chat is going on. I think they may try to go for some big shots. They must plan to have some good score on the board. So 2 overs, 11 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. And the first ball, Ankit Singh will be facing Raj. Viewers are cheering up. First ball of the third over. And this was a very good shot. A good fielding on the boundary by Om. And they just got one run. So far in the game, they have to keep satisfying themselves with just one run per ball. So 12 runs on the board. Beautiful ball, a nice fielding, good comeback, just one run. Score is 13, 2 overs and 2 balls. So this was again a good shot, but a very beautiful 4. Om Mishra tried, he has put lot of effort, but unfortunately the way the shot was hit, All-Star, the captain must be thinking how to get a 4. It was much needed, it is the need of the time, and the score is 17. A beautiful shot again, but a very good fielding. Unfortunately, the fielding was very good. Some pressure in the bowlers, fielders, captain. Four balls gone, third over. Score 17. So it was a very good tapped shot. He came forward. The bowler changed his bowling line and length at the last minute. And this was a very good shot. But they just could get one run. And
19,
over.
3 overs 19.
So 19 runs on the board on completion of 3 overs. Now this is the last over. And Kavin Singh is going to bowl. Big thanks to Kavin Singh, who has been a commentator throughout the day today. And Sarfaraz will be facing fourth over, score 19 and the first ball. Beautifully timed, but a very good fielding. A very good fielding, and just they could have to be content with one run. Beautiful shot once again, a very good fielding. The fielding is really very good. He defended almost 2 fours. Ankit Singh is trying his best, but he has to be satisfied with just one run in a ball. And Sarfaraz will face. Score is 21. Uska naam kya hai? Prem. And he just timed it. Good bowling by Kavin. He very well understands the game of Sarfaraz, so he could defend. And the next ball to Ankit. So this is a wide ball, and the score on the board is 23. Good footwork by Ankit. Quickly came back to the crease. Next ball. And he tried to play, but not a very good shot. He could manage with one run. 2 balls remaining. Last over. Score 24. They might be looking for some big hits. Sarfaraz, let us see. And a good shot, a very good fielding. And this is a very, very close decision. A very close decision. Umpires are chit-chatting. So they have given him out. A very good piece of fielding shown by the Warriors. They might have some plan how much runs they should content this team. 24, 24, 24. Last ball of the innings. Score is 24. Ankit Singh, who has been through and through right from the first ball of the match, not getting out. Full responsibility of his team. So the last ball of the first inning. And it is a beautiful shot, beautiful fielding by Prem. And I think 1 run they got.
26 target.
So 25 runs in the final game. They made 25 runs with the loss of 1 wicket. Target 26 is the target for Warriors. Let us see how they play this game. And the responsibility on the head of Tushar Mandane, a very sensible and a presence of mind, technique, a specific flick shot player. He is famous for his flicks. So we must see, especially winning the toss, he elected to field. So he has some plan in his mind.
हमारा टीम भी हार गया पहले ही। मैं भी बोला पहचान में कोई कमेंटेटर कर रहा है, नतीजा करेगा तो परमिशन के लिए बोला है खास बोला है। अरे वो अनाउंस कर करके नाम लेके बोला है रे। 2 दिन से इंग्लिश कमेंटेटर नहीं था ना। अरे मैं कल नहीं था रे, मैं तो आता था। इसका नाम क्या है नेपाली का? नेपाली का नाम क्या है? मीनू चौधरी। हाँ? मीनू 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 ना? मीनू और वो कौन है उधर? अक्षय है ना?
26 target है क्या? So the target is 26 and we must see the fielding, the kind of fielding. There are very good fielders in this team. I can see Dadu on the ground, Vishal, Narendra Ochani, Ankit Singh, Mickey Singh Rajput. So lot of good fielders. And was a good start. Akshat starting with 1 run of the first ball. Meenu is the bowler. Target is 26. So now wide ball. Meenu under pressure. So 1 ball and 2 runs on the board. And very good placing. He is famous for cheeky runs, Tushar. So 2 balls, 3 runs. Akshat will be facing. Akshat is known for his hitting. And nicely tried. Unfortunate misfielding by Narendra Ochani. This never happens normally. 3 balls and 4 runs. Tushar reverse bat, a beautiful cheeky run, and he very well knows how to take runs and keep chasing the target very coolly. Akshat will be facing the next ball. And a good shot, good fielding over there. Last ball of the first over with score 6 on the board. Tushar taking 1 run again. And the first over completes with 7 runs without any loss of wicket. The fielding is quite good, but the cheeky runs taken by Tushar and team is dominating. So the final game, each and every ball, each and every fielder, batsman, everyone has to play a role. A very, very thrilling match going on. 7-7. And again a very cheeky run. So Giri is a good bowler. He is a very young bowler. So next ball to Akshat. And he tried to tap. He got beaten up. But then he managed to take a run. Good bowling. Boys, I don't think they are cheering up. The audience is not cheering up, sitting silent. This is the final, so the feeling should be there. And very nice fielding, a very good attempt by Ankit Singh. Good comeback by Narendra, but he managed to take a run. A cheeky master, Tushar Mandane. A lot of names we can give him. So 1 run. Beautiful shot, but good fielding by Dadu on the ground. So 11 runs on the board. 11 runs on the board. 2 balls to go of the second over. Tushar is facing. And he very well places the ball. So last ball. 12 runs on the board. They seem to be going quite good. They are chasing the target nicely, coolly, with patience. And there is no room when someone takes cheeky runs. Last ball of the second over. And this is a wide ball. The bowler is under pressure. These mistakes are not allowed in the final game. Each run matters a lot. He tried to play, but no run, and on the completion of second over, the score is 13. And they need 13 runs out of the remaining 2 overs, so they are playing a very balanced game. I think these Warriors are mathematically calculating the game. 13 in 2 and 13 required in 2 overs.
शिवाय घेणारच नाही तो.
तुषार खूप टेक्निक आहे यार त्याच्याकडे. दिमाग. एवढी स्ट्रॉंग टीम आहे तरी त्यांनी टॉस जिंकून फील्डिंग घेतली.
So Vishal is the new bowler and Tushar will be facing. Score is 13. 13 runs required in the remaining 2 overs. The game is very balanced. We cannot say what will happen in the coming 2 overs. Good fielders, good bowlers, good batsmen. Some debate is going on with the umpire. I don't know what it is. This is the final game. The boys must cheer up. And again he took 1 run. One ball and 14 runs on the board. Akshat facing Vishal. Beautiful shot. Very good fielding. Excellent fielding. This is a excellent fielding by Ankit Singh. The captain has taken the responsibility. A beautiful fielding and a direct hit. So this is called a final game. So Akshat run out. A very, very aggressive fielding, quick fielding and reverse throw, direct hit. No chance for the batsman to reach the ground and he is out. So the score is 14 with the loss of 1 wicket in the 3rd over. So Vishal will be bowling his 3rd ball.
10-12. 10-12.
So 14 runs. And a good shot. He tried, he missed, but 1 run taken. A good try again from Ankit Singh, but he had to stay back. Tushar could manage taking a run. And 15 runs on the board with the loss of 1 wicket. Ishwar, he plays very nicely. Took 1 run, a cheeky run, just played and ran down. So a young boy, Ishwar, a young boy. And beautiful shot. He tried, but the fielders are really very good. Last ball, last ball. And the score is 17. This is going quite tough. Last ball of the 3rd over. Score is 17. And beautiful shot, very good diverted, but they could manage with 1 run only. It's a very, very tough game, and I think the responsibility is on the head of Mickey Rajput. He has a season experience. 5 seasons he is playing a box cricket tournament. So we must see how the game goes further. Score is 18 and the target is 26. So 8 runs of the last over needed. So let us see whether they really manage to get it. They go on a tie. It is a super over. What happens, we will see. So now this is the last over. And Ishwar will be facing Mickey Singh Rajput, a well-experienced bowler. But the good part is the captain Tushar is in the crease and he knows how to play the game. So the first ball went wide, and this is not expected. This is not expected in the final game. So they need 6 runs of 6 balls. So this is not expected when you play a final game. A silly mistake kicks the team off. So a sensible bowler and the team will think what to do next. 6 balls, 6 runs needed. So the review is lost and 6 balls, 6 runs needed. This is the final game, a very tough game, and the first ball of the last over, and beautiful shot. So 5 balls, 5 runs. 5 balls, 5 runs needed. A very tough going. And the young boy, Ishwar, lot of pressure on his shoulders, but he seems to be very confident. A beautifully timed ball. Very nicely timed. He played very nicely. So 4 balls. They need 4 runs of 4 balls. Very close match. And it was a nice placement and he is gone. A very, very nice piece of fielding. This is a very good decision by Ankit Singh. Ankit Singh has taken really a very good decision. He moved forward. He stopped the ball, dived, got Tushar Mandane run out, the captain of the Warriors, and this might be a very big damage. We must see what happens next. But this is a turning point of the game, it looks like. So 22 runs. So 3 balls remaining and 4 runs needed. Ishwar is on the strike. So Mickey Singh Rajput, they need 4 runs out of 3 balls. And this was a good shot. They could take 1 run. So 2 balls remaining and 3 runs they need. Raj is going to face Mickey Singh Rajput. 2 balls remaining and 3 runs are required. And this is a very bad. The captain Ankit Singh is very disappointed with this kind of a ball. You cannot expect bowling a wide ball at this juncture, so the situation goes very bad. This must be very disappointing to the all-star team. It's a very good chase going on. A very balanced game. If we look back, it was 2 overs 13, 2 overs 13 required. So now last 2 balls, 2 runs. The crowd is silent. No one knows what will happen. Players, Sarfaraz, players don't shout at the time of bowling as per the box regulation. Don't distract the batsman. So 2 balls to go, 2 runs required in this final game. And they completed. No. They took 1 run, but the second one they could not manage. They just got 1 run. But anyway, this is again a balanced game. The wicket is down, but they need 1 run, 1 ball remaining. Good piece of fielding. Whosoever win that game today, All-Star or Warriors, both of them have shown a beautiful balanced teamwork today. So now so this is the last ball. So Janak has come in and Raj is going to face Mickey Singh Rajput. Lot of pressure. And last ball, 1 ball, 1 run needed. And he has tried and he missed, and finally the Warriors have won the game. All-Star lost the game. It was very unfortunate. The confidence in this last final game, the confidence was shown by Tushar. So the first UCPL round, season 1, is taken over by a very good game shown by all the players, and congratulations to both the teams, the winning team and the runner-up. This was an excellent game and all of us have enjoyed.
Man of the match Akshat.
Man of the match.
Man of the match Akshat.
अब भी नहीं बोलेगा रे बाद में ना.